Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access Security. Following that, scroll down just a bit to access Face Unlock and enter your current screen lock. Then read the disclaimer, choose Setup at the bottom right corner, read the instructions and tap on Setup again. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can adjust those two options by clicking on the switchers next to them. And when you finished, select Next at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Done. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!